Central Florida Trailer Rental's new 7x16 Big Tex utility trailer with a load capacity just over 5,000 pounds. Comes with 10-ply tires, spare tire, E-track, and a removable ramp. The E-track was installed along both sides with two horizontals spaced nearly 8 feet apart. Perfect for hauling motorcycles, ATVs, or even side-by-sides. The ramp is spring-loaded and can be lowered with just a single hand. Just pull both of your side pins out and lower it. If you need to lower the ramp for longer material storage, simply pull both of your side pins up and lower the ramp forward. To remove the utility trailer gate completely, this will need to be done on both sides. First, remove your cotter pin. Second, pull the outer rod out. The spring will drop. Make sure that the gate is in its lowered position so that there's no tension and that this can be done safely. All of our trailers have been outfitted with breakaway systems. In case the trailer ever comes disconnected from your vehicle, it will pull your breakaway, thus locking up the brakes. It's very easy to test. Just hit your test button. This trailer is showing fully charged. We offer a wide variety of E-track accessories, including E-track straps, motorcycle wheel chocks, E-track D-rings, and much more. If you're looking for any additional info on this trailer, feel free to send us a message or give us a call, and we'd be happy to help.